Crosby, the owner of Crosby Equpiment Company. We're proud to be a Hyundai dealer here in Middle and South Georgia. We've had the Hyundai product since 2014 now. Our company has currently 4 stores that we represent Hyundai with. It's been a product that, as a family-owned company, we enjoy selling the product because our primary customers are smaller family-oriented businesses, farms, people that we work around, go to church with. We have activities in the communities together. So it gives us a product that you don't mind selling to your neighbor.
Our customers use Hyundai product for forestry, for land clearing, site preparation, for dairy products, compaction, all the things that a general contractor uses that equipment for. They generally don't have to go to a rental house. They can come to us and get the product they need to make their investment the right way.
I looked at Crosby Equipment. I looked at they had more than one location. They had 3 different dealerships around the state. I knew my sales agent, Luke Peavy, had known him for years. I had a previous Hyundai loader that was used. I used it for years, liked it, worked with Luke Peavy, my salesman, and was able to trade it in and buy a new loader.
Hyundai product comes with a very good warranty program. Our customers, when we talk about a trade, they ask about the equipment and how the warranty works. And right now, the factory warranty is 3 years, 3,000 hours, pretty much bumper to bumper without the ground engaging tools such as teeth and wear items. But outside of that, when they come to the company, they look at what their cost is going to be for their operator, their cost for preventive maintenance, and for 3 years, 3,000 hours, they know their cost from the very get-go. In other words, they can come to us and know exactly whenever they put together a project what their cost is going to be.
The Hyundai Edge for us is the dependability of the machine backed up by a strong warranty. I think the warranty speaks volumes as to the quality of the machine and the fact that the manufacturer stands behind their product. As a farm owner as well, I use the products on my farm. I depend on them, and they service me well. So it's a unit that I am happy to work with personally, and I'm also happy to offer for sale to friends and neighbors and customers. And we find that the warranty team backs us up when we have a need, which is not very often. It's a dependable machine. It goes into the field, it does the job, and we find our customer satisfaction to be very high, especially compared to some of our other manufacturers. So we wholeheartedly have solid faith in the Hyundai product and the edge it gives us in the marketplace.